Hey guys, how's it going? How to start a voter drive. So first of all, set goals. Determine your target audience and registration goals. Obtain a registration form and informational materials. Check local laws regarding your voter registration drives, and assemble a team of volunteers to help organize and execute the drive, and select high traffic areas such as schools, community centers, events for your drive, and use social media, flyers, and local news outlets to advertise your drive, and set up a table with necessary materials. Assist people in filling out forms and answer questions. Ensure forms are submitted correctly and provide information on check-in registration status. Inform attendees about the voting process, deadline, and upcoming elections. Make it engaging and informative to encourage participation. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.